Presido Nigeria Bar Association (NBA) Barrister Olumide Akpata don carry waka go Labour Party Secretariat for the state on October 5th, 2023 for Benin City to tell the party leaders and members of him interest to become the party flag bearer for 2024 governorship election. Olumide Akpata for him talk with Tori people come talk say him notice say politics for Naija no dey people centered, and when he come dey look for party where he go get the people for mind, he come discover say na only Labour Party. That's na why he join the party to help the people of the state when he get the opportunity to be the governor of the state.
Never, never. Papa, Mama, Pikin. Labour Party. Pikin, Mama, Papa. Labour Party. Mr. Chairman, sir. Distinguished members of Labour Party and our friends from the fourth estate of the realm, friends from the media, I am indeed delighted to be here today, and I confirm that as Mr. Chairman has stated, I am here at the State Secretariat of the Labour Party to express my interest in running for the office of the governor of Edo State on the platform of the Labour Party. And as I said to Mr. Chairman in his office, where I was so very warmly received, I said to him that my interest is for the people of Edo State. And what I find in politics and governance in Nigeria today is that the people have been taken out of the equation. Nobody seems to care about the people. And when I looked around, the only political party that I found to be people-centric, people-oriented, to be interested in the lot of our people is the Labour Party of Nigeria. And it is therefore fitting and opposite that it is with this party that I have come to pitch my tent. And it is on the platform of this party that I would like to run for governor of Edo State. And as Mr. Chairman has already informed you, he has indicated to me that this ambition, this aspiration is welcome to the party. And for that I am most grateful. And I have promised him that in the event that the party does decide to accord me with the status that I so seek, I will be sure to fly the flag of the party high and to ensure that Labour Party continues to triumph. The people are with Labour. Labour is with the people. And together, Labour Party will do well by the grace of God.
Edo State Labour Party Chairman Kelly Ogbaloy talk say them don't accept Barrister Olumide Akpata and him aspiration to run for governor for their platform.
For us at Labour Party office here, it's usual for us to keep our activities open to everyone, especially the press. Today we are to say that we have in our office Barrister Olumide Akpata, former president of Nigeria Bar Association. His mission in the office of the party today is to formally notify the State Working Committee of his intention to aspire on the platform of Labour Party in the gubernatorial election of 2024. The State Working Committee have accordingly accepted him as an aspirant. I think this is important to tell you, the audience and supporters of Labour Party and the press. It will be part of not being transparent if I've had him in my office with other officials of the party for this long without addressing you. Therefore, I address you right now and confirm he has come to tell us his intention and the party is acceptable to it. Thank you very much.
After the meeting with the party leaders and members, Barrister Akpata can donate bus to the Labour Party Secretariat to show his support for the party. Make na no forget say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Olumide Mukoro, TMT TV News.